Hey, it's Kim from Ocean Vayu Yoga. Welcome back to our channel. We're going to do a manifestation meditation today. So find a comfortable seat, whether that be in a chair or sitting cross-legged. You can bring your hands to your knees facing down or facing up, and you're welcome to take a mudra if you'd like. I'm taking Jhana mudra here, the thumb and the pointer finger connect. Once you're settled, go ahead and take a full deep breath and exhale, slowly let it out. We're just going to start by taking a handful of conscious deep breaths. So go ahead and take another full deep breath. Slowly exhale. Another full deep breath. And a slow exhale. You're just beginning to feel your body relax. Feel your energy begin to smooth out. And just notice the length of your inhale. Notice the length of your exhale. Let's see if we can draw out that exhale a little bit more, lengthening it. Letting every last little bit of air out before inhaling again. And with every exhale, envision yourself grounding down into the earth. Just having that connection with the earth underneath you. At the end of the exhale, there's a little pause before you inhale. Just go ahead and notice that pause. Maybe sit in that pause for just a moment before inhaling again. In that pause, notice the silence, notice the peace. And just begin to notice your body relaxing a little bit more with every one of those drawn out exhales. Every conscious breath, your body relaxes a little bit more. Bring all of your awareness inward and notice. Notice one by one how your muscles just begin to melt. Any tension rolls right off. So here on the East Coast, it's the end of our growing season. It's autumn. All of our gardens are beginning to dry up. We're harvesting the last little bit of fruit, the last tomatoes on the vine, the last peppers. We're collecting our harvest, noticing our accomplishments. And what happens in our world, in our outside world, also happens within. Since we are a part of our earth, When the earth goes through its seasons, so do our bodies go through its season. So we can transfer this time of harvest into our lives. We can begin to look back at the last 12 months to see what we can harvest. Looking back at your life, what were your accomplishments? What goals did you see come to fruition? What joys did you experience? What moments of realization did you have? What good moments or memories stand out? These joys could be those you experienced through your children, seeing them accomplish a goal, or perhaps a parent or a friend, a neighbor that you helped out. Just take a moment and think back. Run through the little file in your mind of all of the good things. Visualize them clearly. Bring all of these moments into your heart, all at once. Feel them in your heart. We're essentially harvesting these moments of joy, of accomplishment, of love, of realization, whatever it may be. Wrap your arms around them. Feel your energy shift. As you envelop these moments. Feel the elation wash over you and fully absorb it. Let it saturate your every cell. And keep running these beautiful moments through your mind. Now take a moment and acknowledge yourself. Pat yourself on the back. Give yourself a hug. All of these moments are because of you. You did it. You experienced it. You created it. You lived it. Let yourself know that you're proud. It's okay to be proud. It's okay to feel a sense of accomplishment. Now take all of these moments, these goals, these joys, place them neatly in a little file in your heart, in your mind. A place you can easily find them the next time you need to be reminded to move forward, to continue on, that all is well. So we've harvested these moments. And now, just like that connection with our gardens, we can look forward to the next 12 months. We can decide what to plant, what worked, and what didn't. We can decide what we want to work on. We can decide what goals we want to accomplish. So now we can look forward to the next 12 months. Decide what we want to plant more of, what goals we want to see accomplished, what moments we would like to see in our lives. Now envision yourself 1 year from right now. 1 year from today, doing this exact same meditation. What goals, what joys, what accomplishments will you be holding dear to your heart? What will you be harvesting? Visualize yourself accomplishing these significant goals throughout the year. Now take just one of those goals, one of those joys, and envision every single detail of what it took to accomplish it. What it felt like to accomplish it. And then every single detail of how you got there. Replay it over and over in your mind. What steps did you take to get there? How did it feel like to accomplish the steps along the way to get to this bigger goal? Every single detail you can think of, go through in your mind of how you got to that goal. Now, coming back to today, the homework is to repeat this process, envisioning the year ahead's goals, running through them in your mind, of how you will accomplish them. Every little detail. And what it feels like to succeed. We are essentially changing our brain waves, creating new patterns, new synapses, new pathways, and convincing our bodies on a cellular level that we can accomplish these goals. We can accomplish everything we envision. We can do anything that we want to do. If we take the time dedicate the time to accomplish it. You can slowly flutter your eyes open. Take a big deep breath. Slowly exhale. Bring your hands to your heart. Namaste. Thank you so much. I hope you find this meditation to be helpful for you. Please remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.